guys, my name is Claudius Vertesi and today we will be reviewing the brand new GoPro 7 Black. Now, as you guys might know, I've been riding scooter for about 8 years, since I'm 13, and I love making videos. So for me, I love using a GoPro for many of my shots, specifically on my helmet, so you guys can see also awesome footage of me doing tricks. And also, the GoPro 7 has really good smooth features. So today I will tell you guys what I like and what I don't like, so you guys can make a decision if you want to get a GoPro 7 Black yourself, or you just want to know how I like it. So, first of all, a really cool feature is you can put them on your helmet. As you can see, I have the mount here, boom, on your helmet. Number two, we got here this awesome stick as well. You can put it on the stick and you can walk and run around with it. And then also, Porteco have sent us an awesome package like this with many different accessories. For example, here we got this mini tripod. We got different mounts for your helmet, on your car. You can mount the GoPro pretty much anywhere. So you can see there's many different ways where you can mount the GoPro. You can get very creative with this. Now, one of the cool features of the GoPro 7 Black is the hyper smooth. So hyper smooth means when you film, it basically films it in a very smooth way. So even if you run, it's gonna be very smooth, which makes it so amazing. So the GoPro 7 Black films in 4K 60 frames per second, which is ideal. Okay, now let's go over the top 3 best things I like about the GoPro 7 Black. The first thing is hyper smooth. I used to have the GoPro 6, 5 and 4, and this is by far the smoothest GoPro. So that's really awesome. You can literally run. Elliot has been running with this stick around. You will see those clips very soon. And then number 2, the colors are very nice, way better than all the other ones. And then also number 3, not only you got the smoothness, the colors, but also the GoPro 7 Black has the sound. Sound is very nice, so I like the sound, also pretty cool. It also looks very nice. Now let's talk about a few things that I think could be done better. If we switch the GoPro on, it has a pretty nice touchscreen. Now I personally, I don't like the touchscreen that much. It takes quite a while to load. For example, right here, it takes quite a while. The touchscreen could be faster, so I wish in the future they improve the touchscreen a little bit, make it faster, make it smoother, especially if you are used to an iPhone 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or a Samsung. Let's ask Elliot. Okay, so this here is Elliot. Hello. He films the videos. Indeed. What are like 2 things you like and 2 things you think could be better?
2 things I like. I like how the sound quality on this GoPro compared to other GoPros is like miles better, especially when it's in a case. Previous GoPros, when you had it in a case, the audio was terrible, but this, it still has good audio. Even from behind, so if someone's speaking holding it, you'd still hear the audio from behind, which is really good. Waterproof. Yes, waterproof without a case, which is amazing. What's another thing I like? I also like the hyper smooth. Hyper smooth is like, I think that's like the main reason if you're gonna buy a GoPro. I will say, some people say that it's like gimbal. It's definitely not a gimbal, because like you can definitely like see the shake, and it also kind of like rotates at like angles, like you'll see it jitter a little bit, but other than that, like it's a massive like improvement from the last GoPro, which I really like. 2 bad things. I think if they could make it so 120 just records like totally like normal, just in 120, and then you can like slow it down in editing, I think that's good, although I do see why they slow it down. It's just a little bit annoying, but now we know that, we can work around it. The other thing I don't like, there's not much, honestly. It's a really good GoPro. I think like if they could make the sound like as good as like a camera, like a physical camera. This camera right here, as here the microphone. I think then that would be like crazy, but obviously that's like us expecting to use it. I know on this GoPro you can actually plug in an external microphone, which is like crazy, but yeah, that's a videographer's review on a GoPro. Yay! No, for real. No, I think the best thing about the GoPro 7 Black is the hyper smooth. It's literally, you can run with this around. And this is semi-affordable. How much is it? $300? It's not gimbal. It's the closest you'll get to a gimbal and high quality. Also, what's the other one called? Hyperlapse, yeah. Hyperlapse. If you watch my videos, you can see we do hyperlapses, which basically means you walk very slowly and it takes videos, like many photos, and it looks so nice. Basically like, what do you call this? It's called a hyperlapse, but it basically, essentially, instead of just walking like this, it would like clip pictures all together and make it look super nice. And then also, so hyperlapse, and then what else? You can zoom a little bit on this, but not while filming. If you can make it better touchscreen and a little bit better sound, and also you can zoom in
on it, that would be amazing. Also, one more thing, you can have a super view, which is the widest possible fisheye kind. Then you have wide view and then linear. But even the linear setting is still a little bit distorted. Yeah, that is it. So I would definitely recommend the GoPro 7 Black, especially if you're gonna film on your helmet. Also, this here is super helpful. And like I said, make sure you get many different mounts. I think this is about less than $100.
No, this is like $30.
Yeah, $30. You can get so many mounts. So yeah, thank you very much again to Porteco for sponsoring the GoPro and all this awesome equipment. You can follow them on Instagram right here. They're supporting scooter riders, sending cool tech stuff for us to review, and do cool competitions on Instagram. We're doing one right now where you can win some awesome prizes, so make sure you check that out on my Instagram. Claudius_Vertesi is gonna be like right here. This is not any GoPro. This is the GoPro 7 Black, which is the best GoPro, the newest, the smoothest, the nicest, best GoPro in the world. And we have it. Porteco sent it to us. Go follow them. We're doing awesome challenges on there. Let's get some clips. Choo! Okay, Koba, so we are doing some box clips now on the new GoPro 7 Black. So we are back on the GoPro perspective on my helmet. We will get some clips in low light now to see how the GoPro does in low light. I think so far it looks really nice. Also, one thing I noticed, the GoPro 7 has a lot better colors than the GoPro 6. So let me show you something cool. So if we go from here, let's go over the spine here. Alright. Woo! Okay, so over there you can see they're building a new box with more support. It should be ready in about a few weeks, maybe even earlier. And then if you go this way, we got here manual, whip in, got here, whip, rewind. So up here we have, I think, the most killer rail I've ever seen. This rail is currently here blocked because obviously they're building over there. So thank you very much again for watching. Let me know what you think, subscribe, hit the ring bell, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.